There's a date and time. I have Elevator Man 45 here.
I've got Elevator Dude.
We're at Nordstrom at the fashion mall at Keystone in Indy. This is a KONE with GAL. How is this doing in 2025?
Look at my cabby now. Oh, there's nobody here. These are interesting buttons.
Do the honors since you haven't filmed this. Door close does not work.
Does this thing have a motor?
Yeah, but the fan drowns it out.
Send it down the one. ADA phone. Got 3,500 pound capacity. Going up?
Yeah.
You can go up. This thing has a nice cab.
ADA compliant phone. GAL VPWI buttons. Capacity 3,500 pounds or 1588 kilos. There's your indicator and the fire
Here's your call
controls
station right here.
and the barcode. And cowbell chime. Or not.
Doesn't work anymore.
It does. It just has to, door has to close. There it goes.